wakati baba yako alikuwa anasema apite kwa election, mimi nilitumika na nanga kwa election, siwezi jificha. Mimi niliwahi kutumika Minembwe, nikatumika Uvira kwa mambo ya election. Namba 2, kwa mambo ya serikali siwezi ficha kwa kijeshi, mimi niliwahi kutumika. Lakini unachukua wale wahuni wakitega Ndayishimiye, ule ni muhuni. Mimi niliishi Burundi kadhaa, wale wajeshi wote na wajua, wale ni mabandi, maeskro. Leo tunakasirika, leo tunakasirika. Ijapo unafanya hivyo, kuna siku, ile siku tasema siku 40, siku sema ni miaka, siku sema ni siku moja, siku 40 ile siku tashikwa.
Kweli.
Mimi si ndugu yako, mimi si baba yako, mimi si mdogo yako, mimi si kaka yako. Kisegeti.
Our lives matter.
Bokomona, toko mimi sayo. Bokomona retour. Soki toati na Kenya, soki tokai na Kongo. Bokomona, boko regrete. Haki mimi nakasirika, mimi nakasirika. Wandugu zangu, mwenye najua Lingala kuja hapa, usiogope. Hii ndio mwisho. Hata ujapa unaona watu wanakimbia, lakini mjianzari na ile mambo. Asanteni, tumechoka. Sisi Wanyamulenge ni wa Kongo, kila mtu ako na ID ya Kongo. UN, embassy zote za nchi. Tunashukuru Kenya imetupea hifadhi, lakini tunaomba serikali ya Kenya mujaribu mtutetee. Asanteni wandugu.
Our lives matter.
Bande konangana pesi bino mbote isika nyose bozali awa na mboka ya Nairobi.
Yes.
Toye na manifestation pona ko pekisa bitumba ezo salima na mboka na biso tozaka na province ya Sud Kivu. Biso tozana likambo ya kokamwa neti Banyamulenge ndenge to vivre na mboka moko eza Kongo meba poni kaka eloko moko kaka mboka moko ndeza ya koboma violence eza kati ya ba mama mikolo ba age ya 50 60 age ya bana basi ba 2 ans soki kaka militaire ya FARDC soki ezwi bango e violer bango soki ba moni ba jeune garçon bazozwa mipanga ba komi kokata kata bana bas kata matiti ya ba mama eza likambo ya kokamwa penza eza likambo ya kokamwa. Tshisekedi esika uzali na Kinshasa tolobi boye eza likambo ya koyoka na isika nyoso Banyamulenge bazali tolobi boye bitumba oyo ezosalama na population ya Banyamulenge na lelo boye ndenge isika uzali oyoka Banyamulenge eza banyama teke ozwa kaka ba mapanga okata ba machete eza kaka kokata ozozwa mutu osali neti nyama obomi okeye kolia yango ndenge bambesani kolia kaka ba esimuka basita bati belebele omoni bakasai balinga kolia bati belebele bambwa biso to bati belebele te toza bati belebele te chilombo oyo kabisa to abatu neti batu mususu population za na Kongo baza ba ebele baluba bakatange Banyamulenge baflero bashi population za ebele meto zoka mondenge nini yo kaka eza kaka ndo pona ka Banyamulenge biso toza ba originaire ba congolais ya 100% ni lotike vrai congolais à 100% ndenge ozana Kinshasa okopima tozaki na ba president ebele ba le kaka na nzela oyo ozali mais ndenge ovandi na kiti wana ezake ngoomela tina bokonzi te okolungwa ndenge ozawana pe okolungwa na ndenge ya mabe makasi ndenge ozako mabana Banyamulenge yope okopoma pe na bana na yo bakokufa FARDC isika ozali bana Banyamulenge ata ovandi olali okosilisa bango te Banyamulenge baza bana Nzambe okoki kosilisa bana Banyamulenge te to bengani bitumba na yo wana ndenge ozoba makabana ozoba mabana ozui ba drone okay ko boma bana to pekisi bitumba wana merci
Uichongereza nasi Bwana kukichongereza
kivuge cyose kiva mu mutu
Umva. Twigire nk'inyuma buke kugira ngo turenge na tumufata neza.
Guys, let's save Mulenge. Today we are here, we are gathered as Banyamulenge who are in Kenya, fighting for justice as Banyamulenge. Many has been the years that we are suffering. Our families, the children, the youths in Congo, they are sleeping in the forest. Many are the years. But today we call up the countries, we come together and fight this genocide that is going through the Banyamulenge family. Another thing, we ask Trump to stop putting the mining of gold in Congo more than the lives of Banyamulenge. We ask for him to put our lives better than the mining that is going on in our country.
Yes.
We need justice as Banyamulenge. Today we are here because of Kenya. First of all, we say thank you for the Kenyans who are giving us a great opportunity to live in this country.
Yes.
Asking for them to come we be together so that we can fight for our justice. We need justice as Banyamulenge. Thank you so much. Save Mulenge.
Thank you.
Rero bakunzi bacu natwasubiye kubasuhuza uyu munsi twaje muri mandamano ibintu bihora bitubabaza cyane dufite imibabaro itubabaza cyane gisegeti karatwicira bene wacu gisegeti karamena amaraso n'inzira karengana ibintu bitubabaza cyane drone ari mu kohereza mu minembwe zikica abaturage batagwana badafite ibibazo badafite ingorane ariko gisegeti ndayishimiye turabamanganye twingiza amahanga mudufashe mutwumvikanishe ahantu hose rero ibibazo dufite dukeneye yuko bishira gisegeti dusasubira mu gihugu cyacu dukeneye gutaha turarushe.
We are here for peaceful demonstrations. We are Banyamulenge from Congo, Sud Kivu and also North Kivu. And today we are calling for justice for Banyamulenge who are being killed years. Killed for nothing else but just for the sake of being called Banyamulenge. Therefore, we are calling upon the world, the Human Rights Commissions, to look into this and stop the killings of Banyamulenge. We are also calling upon the government of Burundi, in association with the government of Congo, DRC led by Tshisekedi and his counterpart Ndayishimiye of Burundi, to stop killing Banyamulenge. We are Congolese and Congo is our home. We will stay there, we will remain there forever. Thank you.
We are here as Congolese from Mulenge, from the Banyamulenge community. We are here calling for justice for people of Congo. We are suffering, we have called and called, we have cried for the justice in Mulenge, but our efforts have been ignored. We are calling to the United Nations, the whole world, to look into it and help our people for the justice in Mulenge.
Thank you.
Gisegeti must go. Stop genocide. Minembwe. Gisegeti must go. Burundi must go. Stop genocide. Ndayishimiye president of Burundi. Stop genocide in Minembwe. Stop genocide. Stop genocide in Minembwe. Serikali ya Burundi. We need justice. Simama nyinyi wote, we need justice. Muongee kwa ujumla, we need justice. Haki yetu. Banyamulenge. Stop drones. Tunaomba haki yetu. Warundi kwao. Serikali ya Burundi rudi kwao. Serikali ya Burundi rudi kwao. itangazo Mugenza
twumvikane tugiye gushiramwo akarimbo kacu k'intsinzi hanyuma duceze niturangiza turabaheza indigaye dukurikiraho
muna tayari muna tayari mko tayari tuwakemee Warundi huko kwetu Warundi washinde Minembwe oya matu hatuwataki Minembwe we need justice tunataka haki yetu mama itangazo mama watanze interview vitajolika mkenano kumodoka kuba zazi Warundi inafanya genocide kwetu. Stop! Haki yetu. Munigata matombe.
Abafite kubyina bururu. Akagara abagore bandayishimiye. Abagore bandayishombe. Akagara tombe.
Sawa. Reka dusabe chairman gategeko sinza hanari. Gategeko ari hehe? Chairman gategeko. Chairman gategeko. Itaze kuvuga. Yageze.
Umuntu w'abatayisaga umuntu w'abatayisaga rwose touch umuntu w'abatayisaga rwose ari mu kanisa hari n'ubujura buri justice
Chairman gategeko ari wewe tu.
Umewaka moto. Kabila anainama.
Yego.
Yes.
Hano ntago twaje kubyina ntago turi bubyine twaje hano mu kababyo rwose gushiramo izo ndirimbo bari gushiramo.
Abantu nimuruke mu modokari hanyuma dutanga iyo message hanyuma.
Mururuke bantu mururuke.
Nibaze mu rwose.
Oh. Ureka ndagira ibyuma mugende gahoro.